I did it again. I crashed.
Big time. Big time.
How big? That's what she said.
Two and a half miles according to my GPS.
Yeah, like 2+ miles. She's back.
I'm back.
Send it, girl. With Natasha. She's back. First time. Yeah, first time back at White Clay. Sorry, doing like legit trails in months.
Yeah.
Months.
I hurt my ankle, so.
On shock and all.
Ride. On shock and all.
So we're gonna do Brian's Field, a little downhill right over here to the bottom where you can get on David English or take the climb back up.
We're not doing David English.
Not yet. We're gonna have fun on this, take it easy.
Yep.
And we'll check back in. Yeah.
You should. Oh no, it's not.
I didn't even know.
Look at me. Oh my goodness, babe. Are you okay? Is your bike okay?
Well, baby. I did it again. I crashed.
Big time. Big time.
How big? That's what she said. All right, hang on. I got to stop it and show you where I crashed. So I pumped off the first one. Did this jump. I think I landed over here. And then this big indention is me.
Bike upside down. I come up that same trail only to find my husband's bike upside down.
And your husband.
Up in the air.
Both of us upside down.
Oh, I'm just glad he's okay.
Yeah. All right, so the helmet's good. The little visor piece just snaps back in. I checked it for cracks. We're good. Only thing that's cracked is my ego. Let's roll. General is good to go. Everything's good. So we're gonna take it easy. There we go. My eyes are burning. It's sweaty than a mug. How you feeling?
Really good.
Yeah?
I'm really happy to be able to be back on the trails. Still taking it easy.
Yeah.
Those hills are killing me. Man, beasted it up, our hill from hell.
Yeah.
So
Hopefully I PR'd it. Tried to go hard. It hurt more than usual when I got to the top. Felt like it used to when I first started that hill. But hopefully,
like he used to when he first started.
like a bounce. Not quite.
No, not quite at all.
What do you think of that downhill past the skills trail?
That was fun.
Yeah, it was a good time.
I like that.
Short, but it was fun. It's pretty fast.
And I think that the reason why I got hurt is I didn't have the right shoes. Make sure you have the right shoes. Oh,
yeah.
That's all.
Okay. Anybody behind us? No? All right, guys.
So what are we doing now?
We're going to go to the top, down the pavement, to the gravel, back to the parking lot. And then we're done. Cool. All right, guys.
We're not doing the whoop-de-whoop?
We'll see. If this is it, thanks for watching. And
enjoy the ride.
whoop, whoop.